Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to present a presentation without PPT. Just don't mind. I give my best to give you the overall structure and make it clear. So today's topic is it's about my business plan, which I want to implement within few years, and it's fully new in India. Okay, and this technology is not available in India. It's already implemented on US by Google, and we don't know about that. Google already introduced a cloud gaming program. The name of this gaming program is Stadia. If you have a computer or any internet connection or any mobile phone, you can play any game through internet. You don't need any high specs gaming laptop. So it's fully new concept in India. No one is implemented in on India, but only one website and gaming, they already try to implement it in India. And so you all are thinking like that, if Stadia is already in market, so why I am going to start a new business like that? If you think US server is here and India is here, so Google implement Stadia in US, so there is lots of servers are there, but from here you can't access Stadia. Okay, from India you can't access Stadia because it's fully encrypted in US. If you want to access Stadia for if you want to play game, you can't. If you use VPN, you can't also access it. So it's fully encrypted. But if we consider, if you already access Stadia, you also you play your game, but it is not running smoothly because the distance is matter. So we need to implement a server in India. You can access a game all over in India. If you have a smartphone, you also playing game. Okay, like any PC game in mobile phone, because our PC game is too huge. Like there is like 77 GB, more than 80 GB, but you don't have enough internet, right? Lots of problem we are facing, and also we are not everyone, we are not able to buy a high spec gaming laptop. Their price is too much, like 1 lakh to 5 lakhs, like that. But you also want to play a game, right? But you can't. But in US it is possible. So I am thinking like that. I want to implement a gaming server which is based on Indian server, and which is you play every game only on 20 rupees per month. If you want a premium subscription, there is a package, and monthly basis a package, right? The game is running only in one computer. Means I am going to make a server, and there is a computer behind the server. This PC always connect with the server, and when you put your email or password, email ID and password, if you create an account with this website, you got a password. Okay, your email address, but password is ours. Okay, this is fully encrypted, and when you are free, you are going to access that game. You played that game for 1 hour, but when you stop that game, this full data is uploaded on our PC. This full data is full data is saved on our PC. You don't need anything, like not a gaming laptop or anything. You should have a internet with better connectivity. Okay, there is a lots of game like GTA, Cyberpunk. Okay, huge game, but you can't afford it because their gaming price around 2000 each, right? But we give you only on 20 rupees per month. You have a premium subscription, means you play your game unlimitedly. There is no parameter, means if you take 20 rupees subscription, you only play game like 30 hours, means 1 hour daily. Okay, but when you take a premium subscription, you have no parameter like hours, no limitation. You already break it and you got the unlimited time. Okay, and we I am going to make this server with the help of AWS. I think you don't know about AWS, right? AWS full form is Amazon Web Service, because we can't make a server. Okay, it is not possible by one man, because lots of servers are there like AWS, Google server and Microsoft Azure. This is we with the help of AWS we making this server, and their server is too fast, and their servers are on Hyderabad, and we make another server for saving your data. Means when you stop playing your game, you already completed only level 2 and you close that computer. You think your data is fully lost, but it's not. Your data is fully saved in our secondary server. Okay, so PC is ours, net is yours, and you playing game all over India. Okay, and any time, and that's all, because there is lots of technical term. I am not I think we are not habituated with this technical time. Okay, so I not use that.